Yo, what up guys? Welcome to Jack's Off to another adventure. So I am currently in the village of Wang Pring, which is in the south of Thailand, close to Hat Yai. And I've been staying here for the past couple of days. I'll just show you guys around. This is the house I've been staying at. This is the village enthusiast dog, Tang, also known as Tank. And it's like early in the morning and you can hear chickens chirping, you can hear motorbikes, and then so we get something to eat first. Adun Sawad. This time on my adventures, I visited Thailand during Songkran, which is the Thai New Year. Similar to Chinese traditions, Thai families usually return to their hometowns to celebrate Songkran together with family. I was honored and privileged to be invited by Clickbait's family to stay at their village for a week, and in this video I will share with you guys some of my experiences so you can get a glimpse of what Southern Thai village life is like. Yes, here's village life breakfast. It's super delicious because there are tons of aunties here that cook. And auntie cooking is always the best, Shanmai. Auntie! Already? Chestnut? Chestnut, the fresh one. Every morning, the aunties will visit the local market to find the best ingredients for their culinary masterpieces.
Just follow her.
Okay, we're gonna follow auntie.
She expert here.
We're gonna also see what Thai aunties buy here. Ooh, look at the fish here. The chicken. These are non-steroid chicken, not like the ones in the US where they inject them to make them fat. They're all buying seafood here. Wow. Here's the dry seafood. In that section that was the wet one, here's the dry section. And then Clickbait's mom and auntie, they're here shopping. This is like their heaven. Clickbait likes to shop for clothes. Their aunties, I like to shop for like food. And when it comes to cooking, Thai aunties do not mess around. Here in the village, you will never go hungry. There's so much delicious food that nearby relatives would just randomly show up to eat. Chon.
ออกไม่ดีคือด่าเชี่ยเลยนะไปได้หวาเพื่อนี่ข้างโค้งมันเป็นโค้งพันนี้
The reason why food here is so delicious is because women learn how to cook at a young age. Documentary cup. Life in a Thailand village. And because we suck at cooking, we got tasked out to do other stuff. Alright, so one of the rules here in the village, you gotta make yourself useful to stay here. And because I am not the handsome looking guy, I gotta work now, so I can't just stay here and look handsome. So I've been tasked out to go get some mice. So my job is to drive. Clickbait's job is to find the place where we're gonna get ice, but she don't know where it is. So it's gonna be an adventure. Woohoo!
It's in my head.
Yeah! Asian guy driving here in Asia. So it's just guy driving normally. Woo. But if you guys are from America and you guys are driving on the left side and now you're switching to the other side, the one thing to really get used to is really staying like towards the right of the lane, I guess. Like there's a tendency to kind of drift off a little bit, but once you like start driving, you'll get used to it, I guess. Oh, check it out, shirtless Thai guy. And over here to the left, we have the sign that says Wang Pring, which is the name of this village that we're staying at right here. I'm gonna do some bantering, but I also need Clickbait to help me out because she's the one that knows the directions. I have no idea where I'm going. So this is a quick village tour of Wang Pring. I'm too lazy to walk, so we're just gonna drive around since I got tasked out to go get ice anyways. So right here, make a left?
Left.
Okay, and right here is a hospital.
Hospital.
ใช่ครับ
Very small one. For this side, all is rubber farm.
So these are rubber farms and these are, I guess, rubber trees.
Yeah.
I had no idea they cultivated rubber from trees before I came to Thailand. And then rubber tree is actually a major, what you call it? It's a major staple here in the southern region, especially in Hat Yai.
For all the southern part.
The entire southern part?
Yes.
Wow. Alright, so that's where condoms came from. I need some materials for condoms. So yeah, it gives you an insight on like village homes and stuff. Check it out, guys. It's not like the village I stayed at in Cambodia. This one's a bit more developed, I would say. But either way though, life is simple here. Alright, and we made it safe in one piece. I did not hit anyone. And that was a quick and easy tour of Wang Pring. And the aunties are waiting for us here for the ice. They're like, this guy took so long, what the hell, man? Check it out, guys. Thai tea in a bag. Less than $1. As mentioned earlier, we came during Songkran, the Thai New Year. Songkran is usually celebrated with an epic water fight, but due to the pandemic, they were having a dry Songkran down here in the south. Here's Clickbait transitioning from young girl to auntie now. Another tradition during Songkran is an event known as Merit Day, where families honor their ancestors. Thailand is predominantly Buddhist, so families would cook and donate food to the local Buddhist monks. Check out all the food here. And according to Clickbait, the monks will eat anything you give them. Which is kind of weird because I thought they don't eat meat. So technically you can give them meat and they'll eat it.
Yeah, they eat it.
If you give them McDonald's, they'll eat it also.
Yeah.
McDonald's! So all that food comes here. We are now at the temple. Work smarter, not harder. Ay.
Automatic.
Yes. Smart. In return, the monks would perform a ritual honoring those who have passed.
And some. Okay. All of that.
Everyone?
Oh, everything.
That must be strong. Carrying a lot of stuff. You can work out here at the temple right here. Get fit, find inner peace. Yeah! Bicep day, every day. Cup, cheers. After honoring the ancestors, it was time for the younger generation to honor the older generation. Woohoo! Yes! Hello! Whoa!
ถ่ายรูปกันแล้วกัน
1,000 years old ต่อ
โน่นนะ
อ๋อเขาต้องไม่ทำ
เดี๋ยวอีกคนนึงเอาว่าไงเอาเนี่ย
ไปแล้ว
มันไม่ปีแล้ว
For the ritual, a flower garland would be given to the elders. The youngins would then pour water over the flower, which symbolizes the purification of all the misfortunes from the year before and welcoming the new year with a fresh start. ครับผม So apparently this whiskey has honey and marijuana. Oh wow, I'm gonna sleep very good tonight. This is how they do it in a Thai village, I guess. Woo!
Mommy way Mommy life
Alright, so let's do a very quick house tour at the place I'm staying at. Real quick, again, this is not my place, it's not a public rental, it's someone's house, so I'm not gonna go into details. This is like the hangout area where everyone just chills and eats and just like hangs out here. Open area, as you can see, the fresh air. A lot of bugs though. And let's show you the room I've been staying at. Right here, this is my bed. And here's Clickbait. Ooh. Sister.
You ready?
Oh, Hongnam first. Here's the Hongnam or the bathroom. Bucket showers. At least the water is hot. Alright. Here's the living room. This is where the aunties watch the TV. And since aunties love cooking, you have like a little kitchen right here. Here's another kitchen area right here. This is where they cook, and then they usually cook in the open area right here. And then there's also an upstairs. Like I said, I won't show you all the details. And in the upstairs, there's more rooms and a living area. And then, check it out. Whee! So yeah, an open area to hang out. There's even a balcony. This is where you honor the ancestors. And then if you walk down the stairs here, you get to that hangout area. And hanging out was pretty much all we did here in the village because there's really not much going on. Aside from eating and drinking, I had the chance to venture outside of the village because it's not too remote. I'll make some of those adventures into individual videos, so stay tuned. Alright, so after staying here in the village of Wang Pring for 1 week, it's time to get the hell out of here so we can continue on my next adventures. Bye! Bye! Sawadee. Alright, I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Jacks off.